Hi, I'm Nicholas and I'm the co-founder of Fitaborate, the perfect solution for working out from home. Did you know that 36% of us are already working out from home? Why? Well, we simply don't have the time or lack the motivation to do so. And as a result, we do fitness videos. Today, there are over 46 million views on YouTube alone, and this number is rising. This is the wave that we want to ride. So we asked, are you happy with this experience? Well, of course not. How do I know which is the right video for me? How can I monitor my performance? Do I really need to keep doing this alone? So we created this. A curated experience where you get to track your performance, choose your workout, set your goals, and invite your friends to work out together for free. Do you own a wearable device? Even better. Simply connect to Fitaborate and you'll be able to monitor your performance live on your screen. But that's not all. In Fitaborate, you will find real trainers providing real workouts and a community to share this experience. With our gamification platform, we want to be rewarding actions, not numbers. We want to try to motivate you and not simply rank you. Who are we making this for? The digital mom working out from home. These 20 million European moms are the perfect early adopters for Fitaborate. Why? They have all the characteristics that we need for a social fitness platform, but most importantly, over 50% of them are already using YouTube for their home workouts. The root of our innovation is our business model. By establishing partnerships and working on cutting-edge technologies, we have created a marketplace for fitness enthusiasts and fitness professionals alike. With our free workouts, we want to get the users, and with our professional workouts, the revenues. And our biggest asset, our team. Dedicated founders, 6 full-time employees, in-house development, fitness expertise, and startup experience. Since our incorporation in September 2013, we have established our first industry partner with Freddie. We have committed and raised funds, and we are a CTI startup. We currently are on a seed funding round looking to raise 250,000, of which we have secured already 150,000. We're going to be launching our beta in about a month's time, and we're looking for strong investors and partners to make Fitaborate the perfect solution for working out from home. Thank you.